Well, afternoon everybody. Figured I'd show you guys how I get water from my artesian well at the bottom of the property to the animals in the cabin. So I have a 100-watt solar panel. This one is made by Eco-Worthy, along with the controller that controls the 12-volt pump. And this thing is great. It has a backup battery. Battery probably lasts an hour, 2 hours after running the pump, after if it doesn't have a charge. Well, pump is not on right now. That'll light up green, and then like if there's ice in the line, it'll it senses it, and it'll like pause to push the ice out if it can. Otherwise, it won't run. It has like a backup. It has like a safety system. It's really not that super. Technologically advanced. It's just a backup battery. And then this is the outlet to the pump. Switch, solar panel, battery. I'm sure if you really wanted to, you could unhook this battery and hook up like a deep cycle marine battery for more charge. I'm thinking about doing that in the future. And then also with the on and off switch, since it's just here right here, I'm thinking that I could run a remote on and on switch so you could turn it on and off from a distance. But I am super impressed with this Eco-Worthy well pump. And it runs down into the artesian well to the pump. I think there was another YouTuber showing off his well the other day, so I figured I'd give a little rundown on how he doesn't use his because his is too far from his main base. And I mean, it's pretty far up there. I mean, that guy has a lot more land than I do, but it's at least 250 feet up a 30-foot grade, and it runs up. I will be burying this water line. As you can see, I've started to dig the trenches, and it'll split and then go up to the cabin, and then there'll be right there. It also have a spigot so that I could fill the water basins for the goats and the pigs. Now the goats are going to have a solar charger and they're going to be all over the place, so I'll have to tote water to them the same. But there she is, the hole in the ground from God knows how long. And that's how I get water. The sun. And it is a beautiful day outside. If you have a chance, get out there, enjoy it. Have a great day.